So when it comes to free graphic designing tools online, there are numerous options that you have. But to me personally, my favorite is Canva. And Canva has so many features just on the free version that you can use to create amazing designs with. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can create an amazing design on Canva for free. If you're not yet subscribed to How to Master It, please make sure that you do so for the best and most understandable tutorials on YouTube. Now, first of all, go over to canva.com, right? And you can sign in using your Google profile, which is the easiest. That is what I've done here. As you guys can see, I've signed in with my Google profile. Now, for the purpose of this video, we are going to be creating an Instagram post for a fitness trainer. That is what I'm in. That is the line that I'm in. So if you're a fitness trainer, but it doesn't matter. If you're a fitness trainer, if you're a baker, it doesn't really matter which field you work in, you can do the exact same. So we want to go to our social media, right here. We can click on Instagram, and then we can click on either a square or Instagram story, an Instagram ad. So whatever you want to do. Now let's do the normal Instagram square post. So as you guys can see, the crowned items are for the premium version only. So we're going to be obviously only using designs here that are free. Now, if we type in, for example, personal training, okay? If we type in personal training, it'll give us, oh, I misspelled there. It'll give us a bunch of templates here that we can use. And obviously some of these are free, some of these are not free. But if we were to scroll through these ones, and we were to pick, let's start with a basic one, shall we? We'll start with something like this, right? So this is a pretty basic design, right? We've got our picture here in the background, and we've got space to do whatever we need to do here. So we can obviously replace this with our own media. For that, you need to go to the Uploads tab, obviously. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be importing some gym pictures of me. All right, let's take this one. Drag it over to here, and it uploads, right? And then from here, right, we can drag it and it automatically replaces this. Now this, as you can see, does not work. So what we can do instead, we can delete this whole section, right? We can make this black section a little bit bigger, and then we can drag the photo, just click on it, and then it pastes here, right? So you can either do the full shot or you could do like this. Now what I personally like to do is you can click on your image, then you could okay, so see the background remover feature is one that I would usually use because I have the premium version. So if you are able to get the premium version, background remover obviously is an option that we have. But seeing that we do not have the background remover feature, we are going to take this as the original, right? So we can paste this like this, we can readjust it, let's say about there, right? So we can make this section a little bit smaller, and let's just readjust this a little right there. Okay, so obviously now we have this section here, and we can drag this down if you want to there. So that's about almost where we want to be. Okay, now secondly, the wording. What wording are we going to use? Now obviously if you click on this, there are many different fonts. If you go to texts, we can say add a heading, add a subheading, and then they give you these different font combinations that you can use. So depending on your personal style and what you want to accomplish with this, you can pick any one of these, as long as they're obviously not crowned, because these are the free versions, right? Free, this is free, this is free. So as long as you pick one of those, we're just going to stick to this one. Now, in order, let's say something like build the best you. Okay, build the best you. We can obviously let this fit, center it a bit right there. Okay, remove these, all the unnecessary items you can remove obviously. Now for the picture itself, we can actually go to edit, and we can adjust the brightness, the contrast. So we can dim the brightness a little, we can up the contrast a little, and then for example we can add a little bit of this to fade it back. Right, that almost looks better, right? Let's see if we can adjust the brightness slightly. So this is about the sweet spot there. As you can see, it looks much better. This, because it's a black background, for example, you need to make it stand out more. You can do white, right? Obviously this is going to stand out more. So if you have a fitness logo, if you have your personal logo, you can upload your logo onto here, and then you can just place it in the corner. You can place it down here. It doesn't really matter. But for the purpose of this, we're just going to stick to this. So So now we have build the best you, right? But we don't have contact details, we don't have anything, and we need to add a little bit of a description as well. So for that, I go to the text tab. I go to add let's do a subheading, right? This will be exactly the right size. So here you could say something like, I have over 6 years of training experience, and I'm ready to help you with your weight loss journey. Okay, something simple like that would work. Now obviously we can restructure this, just make it a little bit smaller. We can put that and as you can see, here's a feature where you can basically adjust it where it moves to the right, to the left, or in the middle. We're going to keep it obviously like this, right, the way that we had it. So build the best you. We have a nice heading, right? We have a little description here. Now if you want to add contact details, for example, okay, how do we do that? First of all, to make it, we can simply copy this font and paste it. Okay, I don't know why it's doing that. I do not know what's doing that. Okay, allow. All right, there we go. Okay, so not that font, this font. Okay, so we can paste it and paste it exactly over. So we would do something like, we're gonna obviously have a website. If we have a website, we say www.training, okay, .com. Okay, then for space, we obviously have a telephone number. Let's say 907-565-4654-9909, just an example. And then we obviously would have an email, training at gmail.com. Okay, there we go. Excuse my typing skills. Right, so we can obviously make this a little bit more lengthier, make it fit in. So here, so we can have a little website, we can have a phone number, and we can have an email. Now, in order to make this stand out, you can go to the Elements tab. So here's where you'll find logos. You'll find, we find geometric shapes here, graphics, frames, all sorts of things that you can find here. So in the graphics, you can say, okay, let's say phone. Okay, that's going to be our telephone number. So now we can see that this is premium, but we can use obviously, let's use something that would stand out obviously on the black background. This, right? So something like this. We go over to here and we can resize this just so that it fits. There we go. Website, we can type in on the search bar website. Okay, let's use, for example, we can say this one. Right, this is just for generic purposes. There's our website logo, and then obviously we can, our email, then we type in, go to the search bar, we type in email. Okay, this one would be the best. This one would stand out in the black background. So you'd obviously need to use things, obviously guys, that do tend to stand out from your background. Something, okay, I don't know why this is happening now. Okay, but anyway, you catch the drift. So this is only, let's say this, and we can just maybe paste it again and see where we go. Okay, why is it doing that now? Oh my goodness. Okay, so I don't want it to do that. Okay, but anyway, you can just post that little email icon here at the bottom, right? So that would be the last step. If you want to make this title stand out more, what you can do is you can go to effects, and here you see you can outline, you can lift, you can apply a neon effect to your text. Obviously, let's apply the neon effect, and there we go. So that looks better, right? Standing out more. So that's basically it, guys. It doesn't matter what you're doing it for. If you have a bakery, if you have a nail salon, you can do the same thing. What makes it easier is you have these preset templates that you can use to work from. Now obviously, if you're in the free version, there are going to be features that will not be available to you. For example, the background remover, right? For example, some of the cooler templates won't be available to you. So if you can, Always use the free version. It's not very. Always use the pro version. It's not very expensive, and but there's lots and lots to do with the free version as well. So it's a really simple interface to use, guys. And what's nice about this is that you have all these pre-built templates. As I said, you can go according to the color style here. For example, if you have a certain color scheme in mind, this is the color styles that you can go off of. If you click here, for example, you would see it would change all the coloring on here, but that's not what we want. Okay, so we can just stick with that. And then obviously you click on share, you download your design in a PNG, and then you click download, right? So that's the easiest way to do it, guys. If you guys are interested in more tutorial videos, let me know what you want to see. This was just a basic tutorial of Canva's free version. So remember, sign in or log in with your Gmail account, and then you can, depending on what you want to design, you can design Instagram posts, Facebook posts, YouTube thumbnails, videos themselves you can edit on here. So it's a really cool platform that offers a lot of value, even in its free version. So make sure you go and check out canva.com. Hope you guys found this quick tutorial useful. We actually have a free ebook available, guys, for Canva, right? It's a basic guide to how you can use Canva to create amazing designs. So go and click the link in the bio. We also have a book on how to edit amazing short form content and long form content on CapCut. If that is another app that you use, the book will also be linked in the description. I'll see you next time.